In this video we will discuss about the basics of using sets in Python and its features. Sets are unordered collection of elements. The order of the elements are not fixed and they appear randomly. The set elements are not indexed. There is not concept of positive and negative indexing as it was there for lists and tuples. The set don't contain duplicate elements. While initializing the set, if we add duplicate elements, those are removed, which we can see while printing the complete set elements. We cannot modify any existing elements present in the set. However, new elements can be added and existing elements can be deleted from the set. The set elements are enclosed in curly braces. The elements in the set are separated using comma. Let's discuss the basic of sets using a program. A set named setString is initialized with 7 values or elements in curly braces as A, B, C, D, E, F, and D all separated using comma. Print statement is added to print all the set elements. When executed, we can see that all the set values has been printed in an unordered manner. If we execute the program again, we will see the order of sets getting changed as can be seen after re-execution. Let's try to modify the element of a set at index 1 from character B to character B1. When executed, we get an error message as setObject does not support item assignment. The error is thrown because we cannot modify an element of the set once it's initialized. Next, we will test for duplicate element within the set. Updating the character G to character E, which is already present in the set. This is to check if the set contains duplicate elements or not. Executing the program again, we can see that the new duplicate element E is present only once, so a set cannot contain duplicate elements within it. Similarly, we can create set which includes only numbers, or which includes only Boolean values, or a set which has a combination of all types of data types. A set is not restricted to just one type of data type. Adding print statements for all the 3 sets. When executed, we can see that it has printed all the set. We can also get to know what type of collection it is, just to ensure we are working with sets only and not any other data types. Adding type method for the setString and setCommon and executing the program again. The output shows that the type of setString and setCommon collection is actually a set and not other types like lists or tuples. Similar to get the length of the set, we can use the len function as len with the set name in curly braces. Once executed, we can see that it has printed the length of set named setString as 6 as it contains 6 unique elements.